How many people are in your family?
I have 3 people in my family.
What does your family do on the weekends?
My family do eat outside in
In the weekends.
in the weekend.
3. What does your father do?
My father is architect.
What does your mother do?
My mom is math teacher.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I don't have any brothers or sisters.
What do you like to do with your family?
I like to play with my family.
Do you look more like your father or your mother?
I look like more fun.
Do you do any chores around the house?
No?
Okay, bye-bye.